In the last 50 to 100 years, most gardeners have been resorting to the use of synthetic latex paint and tar-based products that slough off the growing plant within 1 to 2 years, contaminating garden soil. Ivy Organic Whitewash offers an all-natural protection to all plants from damaging summer sunburn and winter sunscald. This oil-free product contains a base powder that includes traditional ingredients in a patented formula that is almost as long-lasting as paint. The base powder also includes diatomaceous earth, which offers some insect repellent protection. Available in colors white, brown, or green. White naturally reflects the most amount of light and heat. However, colors brown and green offer a more naturally looking protection. For use on your roses, fruit, nut trees, ornamental trees, and shrubs. Depending on the amount of water added, the product may be used as a tree paste with less water, brush on, simply fill up the can, or a foliar spray in a pint-sized can can make up to 5 gallons of foliar spray. Apply the foliar spray for total plant protection to reduce transplant shock, improve cloning success rates, and curb weather extremes, both too hot and too cold. Apply as a brush on for thicker protection on tree trunks and lower branches to prevent summer sunburn and winter sunscald damage. The product dries on porous, allowing moisture and nutrients to pass through, compared to latex and tar-based products that trap moisture and contribute to underlying rot. Ivy Organic is proud to be developing organic, effective, USA-made products that maximize the productivity, health, and life of all plants and trees. Many experienced growers will say, the day you plant a tree is the day you whitewash with Ivy Organic. Keep growing with Ivy Organics and wishing you all happy gardening.